Hello, this is Brad Brickman, Century 21. Thanks again for taking the time to invest in watching this video. I want to tell you a story. So a buyer came into my open house about a month ago. I met with him and his wife at my office, and they agreed to give me the opportunity to help them find a home. And we looked around for about a month. We weren't finding anything. And so, as I told you all before, what I do to help buyers is constantly calling other realtors, asking them if they have anything coming up onto the market or if they know of anybody in their office that has something coming up. Also calling all the REO agents, the bank agents that I know, and trying to find those places that are not yet on the market. I want to give the buyers that I work with the best opportunity to find the best property at the best price. It's really simple, but that's specifically what I'm doing every day, because I only work with 3 to 5 buyers at a time. I'm not somebody that takes 30 to 40 phone calls and tries to make a match mentally for the 30 or 40 people that I talk to. Only for those people that agree to work with me, I will go out and I will find them the best property at the best price, and this is specifically what I do to help those buyers. So another story, piggybacking on what I was telling you, we were continuing to look around with that buyer that I was working with, him and his wife, and I called an agent because they liked this particular area of town, and they really loved this style of architecture and the general location, but there was nothing available. So I called around to a couple of the agents that I knew that work in that area and specialize in that area, and I found out about 2 properties that were not yet on the market. And I was able to bring that to him first. And there was another buyer that I was working with that I didn't find something that wasn't on the market, but I did find something that was going to be reduced in price, and we were able to bring that to them first as well. Now, these are just 2 recent things that I wanted to share with you so that you can see the impact that it can have on your home search process, and you can stop all the stress and the unknowns. Now, I'm not going to know about every single property, but I'll know about 99% of them that are out there because I'm taking a more of an active approach. Anybody can sit and watch the computer, anybody can do that, but I take a little bit more of an active approach. And I just wanted to let you know, if you haven't talked to me and we haven't sat down and met and discussed your real estate goals, I invite you to do that as soon as possible, because nobody will work harder for you than me. I care about my clients. And I hope that you give me a call at 858-225-7385, and I wish you the absolute best of luck whatever you decide to do. Remember, the appointment is free, and it's no obligation, but it will give you a clear picture of what your options are so that you feel that you've made the best decision. Thank you.